What if Honda resurrected one of its smallest, most charismatic classics and rebuilt it for the modern era? This is the imagined 2026 Honda S800, a retro-inspired coupe blending 1960s Japanese sports car DNA with contemporary performance, technology, and luxury. Let's walk around the car from front to back, step inside the cockpit, and talk about what could power this thing, plus how much it might cost. Up front, the S800 wears its heritage proudly. Round LED headlights echo the original model, but now feature sharp projector elements and modern light signatures framed by polished chrome surrounds. The wide horizontal grille carries bold Honda lettering, while amber accent lights and gloss black mesh add just the right mix of nostalgia and aggression. Down low, a subtle front splitter hints at real aerodynamic work, and the hood's gentle power bulge suggests something lively beneath. Chrome mirrors and trim finish the look, classic without feeling dated. It's restrained, elegant, and quietly intimidating. From the side, the proportions are textbook sports car: long hood, tight cabin, short rear deck. The flowing roofline and muscular rear haunches give the S800 a planted stance, while black multi-spoke wheels with red brake calipers scream modern performance. Thin rocker trim and a subtle S800 fender badge add detail without cluttering the design. It looks compact, athletic, and perfectly balanced, like a lightweight coupe that just wants to be driven hard on a mountain road. Around back, things get properly serious. Slim LED taillights with circular internal elements modernize the classic shape, while spaced-out Honda lettering and a bold S800 plate anchor the design. Chrome bumpers return, but now they sit above a functional-looking diffuser and quad exhaust tips. The wide rear stance makes this car feel far more muscular than the original, while still keeping its small, tossable personality. Inside, the S800 becomes a true driver's car. Red and black leather seats with heavy bolstering dominate the cabin, joined by ambient lighting glowing across the doors, footwells, and center console. A digital instrument cluster mimics analog gauges, while a slim infotainment screen stretches across the carbon fiber-trimmed dash. Physical climate controls, metallic switches, and a performance-focused gear selector keep everything tactile. This is clearly designed for enthusiasts, not touchscreen minimalists. Power-wise, a modern S800 would almost certainly stay true to its roots: small, light, and high revving. Expect something like a turbocharged 3-cylinder hybrid or a screaming, naturally aspirated 4-cylinder with mild hybrid assistance, possibly producing 250 to 300 horsepower and driving the rear wheels through a limited-slip differential and adaptive suspension. Pricing? If positioned as a halo retro sports car, likely somewhere between $45,000 and $65,000. with a potential launch around 2026 or early 2027. So, would you daily drive a reborn Honda S800? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button if retro revivals are your thing, and subscribe for more future car breakdowns. See you in the next one.